Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, for Libra po ito, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa channel, pahit na lang ng subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. Ayan. And yung comment niyo, no, kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Nagpapakita ng pagmamahal, suporta, tsaka, ayan, nagaganahan po ako mag-reading pag mga may nagko-comment sa aking video. So, anyway, if you want to book a personal reading, kay Jing Tarot Reader na lang po kayo magpabook. But of course, if you're willing to wait, honestly, medyo matagal po pag sa akin. Dahil, medyo busy po akong tao eh. Okay? Bakit po ako busy? Meron po ako restaurant. Pwede nyo po siyang bisitahin. Jelly's Restaurant kung kayo po ay taga Las Piñas. Ayan. So anyway, yung akin pong TikTok shop, Unipree, dyan yung ma-avail yung bracelet na may kasamang reading. Let's start. What do we have here for Libra? Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Para sa mga Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Love reading to guys sa... Hindi ko to kukunin masyadong marami. Ito lang. Judgment and the Nine of Wands. Wait lang, ang bigat ng energy mo. Bigat ng energy mo kasi pwedeng may mga pinagdadaanan ka ngayon problema. Pwedeng ganun. Like, hindi mo in-expect na ganito kalaki, kahirap. Maybe some of you, this is something na hindi mo pwedeng basta-basta takasan. This is very negative, guys. Maybe it has something to do with your money, with other people na malapit sa'yo, or pwedeng sa kanila nanggagaling or sila yung pinagmumula ng problema, or maybe it has something to do with you, with your money, and maybe yung iba pwedeng sa marriage. Then if you're already married, nakikita natin sobrang hirap nitong ano to pa, ang pakiramdam ko po ngayon parang may nakadagan sa balikat ko, like parang ganun, sobrang bagsak and sobrang hirap and nakakapagod. And then this is you na parang wala kang choice, you have to face this, you have to fix this, you have to, harapin kung ano man ito, hindi mo to pwedeng i-neglect or iwasan. And tinry mo ayusin eh. I feel like you have tried your best na iayusin ang kada aspeto ng iyong buhay with regards to love, money, etc. Tinry mo ayusin. Pero ngayon parang nagkasabay-sabay eh. Yung iba sa inyo, may problem sa family, may problem pa sa pera. So, pwedeng ganon. So, kaya nagiging mahirap at mabigat para sa'yo. The Queen of Cups is here. You are a very loving person. And, nakikita natin yung pagmamahal din naman ng ibang tao towards you because, you are patient, you are kind. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng relihiyoso or relihiyosa, maka-Diyos, ayan. Anyway, who is this person that you're dealing with pagdating sa love? Person nakakonect mo pagdating sa love, spirit guides, angel guides pagdating sa love. Who is this person nakakonect mo pagdating sa love? Person nakakonect mo pagdating sa love. Spirit guides, angel guides, please, pagdating sa love. Okay. The Magician is here, followed by Knight of Swords and the Three of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Ace of Cups. The Magician, gustong-gusto mag-reach out nitong person na to. I feel like this person is already reaching out. Or pwedeng gusto lang, nandun yung kagustuhan na mag-reach out siya. The Three of Wands, this person really miss you, nami-miss ka niya. And the Ace of Cups, this person, this person loves you, mahal ka niya. And I feel like this person wants to see you. Okay, naghihintay siya ng tamang time kung kailan ka niya makikita. So, this person, pwedeng nagpaplano siya ng date or ng time. we're in. Especially kung may paglalayo or pagkakalayo sa inyo. Pagta-travel na kailangan gawin para makita ka niya. So, medyo mabigat yung energy mo, Libra. Anyway, gusto kong gumamit ng ibang card. Nabibigatan talaga ako. Wait lang po. Para sa mga Libra, Sun, Moon, and Rising, please. The Magician, Nine of Cups, the Magician, and the Wheel of Fortune. Dalawang major arcana. And the World at the bottom of the deck. I feel like tinatry mong magpaka-okay. Especially with regards to your career. Para pinapakita mo na okay ka lang, na masaya ka or what, na walang problema. And the Wheel of Fortune, but continuous ka pa rin sa paggagawa ng changes sa iyong sarili. The Nine of Cups, I feel like may maraming bagay ang gumugulat sa'yo ngayon. Like, nagsimula pa last year, like parang maraming news ang gumugulat sa'yo and you don't, somehow, parang yung iba hindi mo gusto, yung iba naman gusto mo, but it's like shocking moment for you. Especially sa mga taong malayo sa'yo with the world. Six of Wands is here. Temperance and Five of Cups. So, kasalukuyan yung person na ito nakakonect mo is really sad. Sobrang nalulungkot siya with the Temperance. Nakakita tayo ng galit and I feel like napapansin ka nitong person na ito pero pwedeng hindi siya nakakapagsalita or hindi niya sinasabi sa'yo. Or whatever kaguluhan ang meron sa buhay mo ngayon, pwedeng alam niya to pero whatever negativity, pero wala siyang magawa or parang hindi niya magawang masupport or kausapin ka regarding this thing. Pero sobrang lungkot, sobrang hirap na pinagdadaanan nitong person na ito ngayon. This person really do loves you. Mahal ka niya. And nalulungkot siya, nasasaktan siya na ganyan yung nangyayari sa'yo ngayon. Now, what will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? With the Chariot, the Justice card, this is two major arcana. Cancer, Ace of Cups is here. Cancer, Libra, Scorpio, Pisces. Death card, another major arcana. Oh, I can see another chance sa inyong dalawa nitong person na to. The Two of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Pentacles and the Queen of Cups. So, nakakita tayo ng another chance sa inyong dalawa. The Tower, something is going to end, and with the Death card, Scorpio energy, may mag-end dito sa side ng person na ito. Like with the Two of Pentacles, I can see some kind of release or pag-alis or pagtanggal ng something na nagpapahirap dito sa connection nito. And I feel like the Chariot, and the Justice card, someone or someone, either ikaw or yung person na ito is going to, travel para sa isang, maybe may kinalaman sa career, like because change of job, change of career, kailangan mag-travel, kailangan either lumapit, parang ganun, papunta sa'yo. Or this will make you excited in the near future kasi pwedeng itong person na to lumapit, may paglalapit, and mas magiging balance in the near future ang connection ninyong dalawa. The Ace of Cups and the Ace of Cups here, like what I've told you, pwedeng may kinalaman sa pagta-travel unang-una pa lang. And I can see a new beginning sa inyong dalawa. And I can see mas balance yung energy this time. Maybe in the past hindi naging balance. This is a past person na nakikitaan natin na in the past pwede nagkaroon ng opportunity sa connection ninyo, pag return or whatever, pero hindi naging balance. But this time, it will be more balance. The Queen of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles. I feel like may mga bagay kayong aayusin, like both of you, pareho ninyong may lalabas or may ipapamalas yung mga galing ninyo. So maybe it has something to do with the Knight of Pentacles. So pwedeng may kinalaman ito sa partnership or money. Yeah, Six of Pentacles, a very balanced energy. So nakakita tayo ng maybe partnership or tulungan. With the Queen of Wands, pag-uusap regarding money. Nine of Pentacles, yeah. So, yeah, nakita natin na itong person na ito magre-reach out siya in the near future sa'yo. And I feel like that is the start. Once na mag-reach out na siya, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.